How to pay Netflix with Google Play gift card. To pay Netflix with Google Play gift card, follow these steps. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then go to Payments and Subscriptions options and select Redeem Code. Enter the code on your gift card and tap Redeem. After that, open the Netflix app on your Android device. Go to your account settings and check the billing details. If you're being billed through Google Play, you'll see Google listed as your payment method. If not, you'll need to cancel your current subscription and resubscribe via the Netflix app on your Android device to set up Google Play billing. Once your Google Play balance is topped up, it will automatically be used for your Netflix subscription as long as the balance covers the subscription cost. Thanks for watching.